Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a username in Phantom Wallet. In order to do so, first off, here we are in Chrome on desktop, and what we're looking for is our Phantom Wallet extension. I've pinned it here and we can go ahead and click on that. And once that opens up, you're going to see on the first page here the option to create a username. So we're going to go ahead and select that. And after just a moment here, we're going to see here the option to create a username. So we'll go ahead and hit continue there. And we can go ahead and add our username here. Let's go with, there we go. And then we can hit save and continue. And it's just thinking about it there, and now we have it. So we have successfully updated our username, and we can even choose an avatar. There's some additional options here, but that gives you an idea of how you can update your username with Phantom Wallet. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.